I would say that one of the main reasons that I think anyone should come work for Miller Design is the opportunities they do create, not only from a business perspective but also from a personal perspective. Gives the opportunity for people to grow within the business, to grow themselves and to grow within the industry.
You could start off being an installer, work your way up to project manager, installation manager, design team, and anybody that's got a drive to succeed, then this is a company you want to be with.
Miller Design has been operating for almost 30 years, specifically in the commercial windows and doors and facade markets. Due to the relatively small nature of the New Zealand construction market, we get involved in the full range of projects, right from smaller commercial, industrial office blocks, high-end residential projects, right through to architecturally designed multi-million-dollar developments which require specific design input. Miller Design is a smaller business with a tight-knit culture. We focus on being agile and flexible in the way we provide our service to our clients. We have a particular focus on company development, but within that as well, we also focus on staff development. We look to offer a wide range of roles and the opportunity for staff to move into those different roles, and that ranges from design, technical services, a factory, on-site installation and project management.
What I like most about working for Miller Design is the opportunities that they create through both the projects that they get involved in and also through the personal development that they offer. I joined Miller Design shortly after arriving in New Zealand. Started out as a project manager and worked my way from being project manager to senior project manager to operations manager.
We teach our people to look at problems in a manner that says this is what we can do as opposed to this is what we can't do.
The personality at Miller Design is one where it doesn't matter what problem arises, everybody digs in and comes up with a solution. There's not any job too small, too big, too difficult. We all stick together and we bounce ideas off one another and we normally come up with the answers.
I enjoy working at Miller Design because I get the sense that we're building something to last, both with respect to the developments that we're involved in, but also due to the fact that we are working with a group of highly motivated and clever people.
The culture at Miller Design is really great. We've got a good team players, and we all work together to solve any problems or any issues that do arise, and no one within the business ever feels that they are left out there on their own.
We've got all sorts of nationalities that get on really well, and yeah, we pride ourselves on that.
We collaborate and come up with solutions together, and we have a particular emphasis on the client, i.e. doing right by the client.
My two favourite projects that I've worked on at Miller Design would have to be the Carlo Park development down at the bottom of Auckland City. It is a commercial precinct and a 4-storey hotel that was built on an old rugby league stadium. The second one is the Albany Senior High School project. The main challenge that we had, or the main opportunity that we had with that, was the fact that we had a unitised facade that was being installed that consisted of not only glass but also had fully insulated units that were incorporated within the facade that were pre-manufactured and then installed on site, which meant a lot less work for the main contractor on site and a far lesser time for weathering the building.
We've done a building in Dominion Road in Auckland that's called the Anvil Building, which we won quite a large award on. It's a facade that hasn't got one square panel in it, and the facade changes direction 3 different directions, and that was probably the most satisfying building because no one thought we could do it.
For somebody to come and work for Miller Design, they need to demonstrate that they have a particular client focus. They need to be able to solve problems, and in solving those problems to be able to work within a team to the optimum solution.
The key is to have a good attitude, hard working and positiveness.
Miller Design provides its employees with small company dynamics but with big plans. We can provide career opportunities given the wide diversity of roles that we have available, right from design through to installation. To top all this off, we are backed by New Zealand's largest construction company.